So we see we have a function f defined on this interval, and we are going to be asked questions about g, which is defined with this function. Normally I would be suggesting you call this g prime, but that's not the case because g prime also has a 2 added to it. So for part A here, we're supposed to figure out g of negative 3. And for this, I'm going to just straight up plug it into this bad boy right here. So that's going to equal 2 times negative 3 plus the integral from 0 to negative 3 of the function they gave me a picture of, dt. And here's where I'm going to interpret this integral as an area as we travel from 0 towards negative 3. They told us this part was a quarter circle. Its radius is 3, so the area of the whole circle would be pi times 3 squared, or 9 pi. But this is just a fourth of it. So it's 9 pi over 4, and then because we're moving in a negative direction and the y's are positive, that'll be a negative value. So g of negative 3 is going to equal negative 6 minus 9 pi over 4. I'm happy with that. And then g prime of negative 3, well, let's look at g prime of x. Let's see, get me s out of here. G prime is going to equal 2 plus this guy's derivative, so the derivative and antiderivative, so just f of negative 3. Because when I take this derivative, this part cancels out, and we just get the function itself. F of negative 3, this graph of f is 0, so I think g prime of negative 3 is going to equal 2 plus 0, which equals 2. And I will box that.